Need to send money from your ICICI account to Bank of America? In this video, I'll walk you through the steps to make an international transfer without the stress. Let's get into it. First, log into your ICICI Internet Banking or open the iMobile app. Go to the Payments and Transfers section and select Send Money Abroad or International Transfer. Now add your Bank of America recipient as a beneficiary. You'll need their full name, account number, Bank of America's SWIFT code, BOFAUS3N, and the bank's address. Double-check all details to avoid delays. Once the beneficiary is added and verified, enter the amount you want to send, choose USD as the currency, and pick the purpose of the transfer. Review everything carefully, then confirm the transaction. You'll get a confirmation message and a tracking number. Transfers usually take 1 to 3 business days, depending on the time and day you send it. If this video helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more easy banking tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.